Welcome to VGuide TV. In this video, I am discussing about indefinite integration, and we are integrating the integrals in the form of integral of dx by root over ax square plus bx plus c, or integral of root over ax square plus bx plus c dx. If the questions are in these two forms, what are the procedures we need to follow, or what are the steps we need to follow? Okay, so this both are under the root only. This is 1 by root over, this is direct root over integral of root over dx, and this term, if you see, there are ax square plus bx plus c, like a quadratic equation form it's coming. So how to solve this one? So I have written a form, but by seeing the questions you will understand more easily. Here the thing is, if a is greater than 0, that means coefficient of x square is greater than 0 means b square minus 4ac will be lesser than 0, and we need to reduce your integral of the form a into, we have to take a common, a into x plus alpha the whole square plus beta. In this form we need to make it, and we should integrate it. If a is lesser than 0, then b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, and we have to reduce ax square plus bx plus c as this form, that is minus a into beta minus x plus alpha the whole square, and then we need to integrate it. These are the methods. Okay, but if you solve the question only, you'll understand. Now we will go for the first question. Integral of dx by 1 plus x minus x square. Integral of dx divided by root over 1 plus x minus x square. I told you this is in the form of a quadratic equation, the denominator. So we need to take the coefficient of x square common, and we have to do it in that form, right? So what I am doing is, I have taken the denominator separately. X square minus x minus 1, I need to take it separately. Okay, your term, what we did, see here, first step what I did is, I have taken the minus sign as common. If you take the minus common, it will be x square minus x minus 1, that is this. Okay, in this denominator, we are taken the minus common. Minus common means x square minus x minus 1. Clear? So first I have taken minus common, and this thing, this term I have taken like this, x square minus x minus 1. I told you I need to make it in the form of a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. That form we need to make it. So I just check the term x square minus x minus 1. If we need to make it in the form of a plus b or a minus b the whole square, that form means the first term, what is the expansion? We know a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is 2ab term. 2ab term, its coefficient is 1 means it's understood the other term in your a minus b, a can be like you can take it as x, but b will be 1 by 2, because 2 into 1 by 2 into 1, that only will come as minus 1. So I can take here x square minus x minus 1, I can make it in this form. We are adding 1 by 4, and we are subtracting 1 by 4. So x square minus x plus 1 by 4 minus 1 minus 1 by 4. I did not do anything. I added and subtracted the term plus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. In my last video, we did a lot of questions like this. Okay. So after that, if you check this terms, x square minus x plus 1 by 4, this is the expansion of a minus b the whole square. So I am writing x minus half the whole square. Minus 1 minus 1 by 4 is minus 5 by 4. So you can write x square minus x minus 1 as x minus half the whole square minus 5 by 4. So I have did that. The minus is outside. This inside term you can write as x minus half the whole square minus 5 by 4. Again, if you take the minus inside, it will be integral of dx by root over. This term I can take it as root 5 by 2 the whole square. 5 by 4 I can write as root 5 by 2 the whole square minus x minus half the whole square. After that, you have to substitute. What is x minus half? I am substituting x minus half as t. If x minus half as t means, we can write dx is nothing but dt. So in place of dx I wrote dt. In place of this one, I can write root 5 by 2 the whole square minus the full term you can write as t square. Clear? After getting till here, you have to remember the basic integral form. What are the basic integral form? Integral of dt by root over a square minus t square is equal to sine inverse t by a. This also I discussed in the videos. So integral of dt by root over a square minus t square is nothing but sine inverse t by a. So this is in the form of standard integral a square minus t square, that is sine inverse t by a. What is the value of a here? Root 5 by 2. Next step is similarly in place of t you substitute x minus half by root 5 by 2. Then we have taken the LCM. The LCM term I can write it as, what is your LCM term? LCM is 2, so it is 2x minus 1 by root 5. This 2 LCM 2 will get cancelled. So see what we did for this question. In this question, integral of dx by root over 1 plus x minus x square. First, I made the coefficient of x square as 1. So for that, I have taken the minus common. So it is minus of x square minus x minus 1. After that, this term, I need to write it in the form of a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square plus a constant square. So I separated that thing and I added 1 by 4 and I subtracted 1 by 4. Then I can change the term as x minus half the whole square minus 5 by 4. That we substituted. Minus I have taken inside. So I got a term. I got an equation. In this x minus half I am substituting as t. So we can write as integral of dt by root over a square minus t square. So this is in the form of standard integral sine inverse t by a. T by a is root 5 by 2 plus c. In place of t, you can substitute x minus half. So sine inverse x minus half by root 5 by 2. 2 get cancelled. So we get an equation or we get answer as sine inverse 2x minus 1 divided by root 5. I hope you got it how I got 2x. I have taken the LCM x minus 1 by 2. 2 is the LCM. 2x minus 1 by 2 root 5 by 2. 2 cancel. That's the reason here there is no 2 in the denominator. So your answer is sine inverse 2x minus 1 by root 5. So I use the first equation. Integral of dt divided by root over a square minus t square is sine inverse t by a. Now see the next question. Integral of dx by root over x square plus 2x plus 10. Integral of dx by root over x square plus 2x plus 10. So I can take this term as the denominator term is root over x square plus 2x plus 10. I told you in the previous thing we need to write in the form of a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. So what I am doing is I am splitting this 10 as 1 plus 9. So if you split it, I can write it as root over x square plus 2x plus 1 plus 9. So this we can write as x plus 1 the whole square plus 9. Here x plus 1 you take it as t. So what I am doing is integral of dx by root over x square plus 2x plus 10 you can write as integral of dx by root over x plus 1 the whole square plus 9 we can write as 3 square. After that we are substituting t plus 1 as x plus 1 as t. So we can write dt by root over t square plus 3 square. This is in the form of another standard integral. What is the next standard integral? Second equation you see. Integral of dt by root over t square plus a square. Difference you see. Only root over t square plus a square. Here it is minus. This is t square plus a square means your expansion is or basic standard integral is sine h inverse t by a. So it is sine h inverse t by a value is 3. Sine h inverse t by 3 plus c. What is t? T is nothing but x plus 1. So sine h inverse x plus 1 by 3 plus c is your answer. Sine h inverse x plus 1 by x plus 1 divided by 3 plus c. Clear? So what we did two questions with integral of dx by root over x square plus or root over x square plus bx plus c form. So in those two cases, what we did, we splitted the denominator. After that, basic standard forms we did. We repeat, integral of dt by root over a square minus t square as sin inverse t by a plus c. Integral of dt by root over t square plus a square as sin h inverse t by a plus c. You have to remember these two basic standard integrals, then only we can do these type of questions. Okay. The next video I'll come with the other questions. Thank you. Subscribe our channel V Guide TV. Press the bell button to get the notifications of new video. Thank you.